US President Joe Biden has issued a warning of another attack highly likely before the evacuations end in Afghanistan. More than 112,000 people have fled Afghanistan via the massive US-led airlift since the Taliban movement swept back into power a fortnight ago. More than 100 people died in the Kabul airport attack on Thursday, including 13 US service personnel, slowing down the airlifts ahead of Biden's deadline for evacuations to end by Tuesday. On Saturday, the Pentagon said retaliation drone strikes had killed two high-level IS jihadists in eastern Afghanistan, but Biden warned of more attacks from the group. Biden said that the situation on the ground continues to be extremely dangerous and the threat of terrorist attacks on the airport remains high. He said that their commanders informed him that an attack is highly likely in the next 24 to 36 hours. The US Embassy in Kabul later released an alert warning of credible threats at specific areas of the airport, including access gates. In recent years, the Islamic State's Afghanistan-Pakistan chapter has been responsible for some of the deadliest attacks in those countries. The IS attack has forced the US military and the Taliban into a form of cooperation to ensure security at the airport that was unimaginable a fortnight ago. On Saturday, Taliban fighters escorted a steady stream of Afghans from buses to the main passenger terminal, handing them over to the US troops for evacuation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.